guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm going to show you one quick and easy tip on how to remove a build-up limescale from a plastic product. So right here we have one Dormeo humidifier, and this machine uses water and turns it into the steam which comes out from this pipe right here, and that way it makes air in the room more comfortable. But if you take a look on this housing right here where is the main operating area, you can see all that limescale buildup around the rubber part, and also you can see all the dirtiness and limescale from the water. We will remove that using one very simple trick, and that is white wine vinegar. We need to pour this white wine vinegar all around this area right here and leave it like that for like 2 hours, and then the limescale buildup should be gone by itself. You can also use an apple vinegar or whatever you have laying around. In my case, it just happens that I have some grape vinegar available. So basically pour that vinegar all over these places where you need it. Good. And now this should remain like this for like 2 hours at least. Already after 10 minutes you can see this limescale buildup right here on the surface. But again, we will leave everything for like 2 hours, because then everything will be much easier to remove. After a little bit time you can test the state of this limescale buildup. So basically just take a wooden stick and try to remove this limescale, and if it's going off like this, it means enough time has passed by to remove everything. And you can see how this wooden stick is doing a good job. Now just take a sponge and remove the rest of this limescale buildup and dirt that we have right here. As you can see by this white area, it goes off pretty fast. After cleaning it under the water, you have your humidifier in a as good as new state. There you have it, guys. With just a little bit of vinegar, you can have your humidifier to be as good as new. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.